So today, since it's so close to Easter, I'm working on a bunny watercolor, and this is the same bunny that you see in many of my stationery designs. And we have Maxwell to oversee the project. I'm using Payne's Gray, Sap Green, and Permanent Rose for this painting, and I'll leave a link to all the materials in the description area below. I'm going to start just by adding some water to this leaf that I sketched. And I'm just going to drop in some sap green. And these, I'm just going to do a wet on dry technique for these leaves. We're not adding a lot of detail to this. It's just going to be very loosely painted. This is just kind of a bed of leaves that the bunny is sitting on. And for a majority of my rabbit, I'm going to use Payne's Gray, with the exception of a little bit of pink on the inner ear. So I'm just adding some clean water with my brush. And I'm going to dab in some Payne's Gray. And Maxwell, you just purring your little heart out. Yeah, that's a good boy, babes. And this is going to be his tail, so I'm going to leave that white for now. And now I'm going to paint in his eye. I'm going to make it a little bit darker, and I'm going to leave just the tiniest white space. To show like a reflection in his eye. My bunny's coming along really nice. We do have this little bit of a cauliflower right here, which isn't too bad. And that sometimes happens with watercolors. The more you practice, the less it'll happen unless you want to achieve that effect. I'm just gonna dab in a little bit of a darker Payne's gray to kind of cover it up. And just blend that in a little bit. Add a little bit more darker Payne's gray around his cottontail. The bunny needs a nose, so we're gonna just draw in a little, or paint in a little line here. I'm gonna add a little bit more detail to the leaves, not too much, because the main focus is on the rabbit. I'm gonna shade in this area of the leaf a little bit. Maybe add a touch of Payne's gray. A little more sap green. gonna paint in a little tuft of fur right here. And just blend it with some water. And there you have it. A cute little watercolor bunny that was rather simple to paint. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more weekly watercolor tutorials. Your support helps me bring more creative projects like this one to life. Happy painting and see you next time.